In recent years, there has been a growing interest in natural alternatives to pharmaceutical solutions for enhancing sexual health. Many individuals seek to improve their libido and erectile function through dietary changes rather than medications. While Viagra is a well-known treatment for erectile dysfunction, certain natural foods can provide similar benefits by improving blood flow, enhancing libido, and promoting overall sexual health. This article explores some of the best natural foods that act like Viagra. Watermelon, the natural Viagra, one of the most notable natural foods that can mimic the effects of Viagra is watermelon. This delicious, hydrating fruit contains an amino acid called citrulline, which can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, similar to how Viagra operates. Citrulline is converted into another amino acid, arginine, in the body, which is a precursor to nitric oxide, an important compound that dilates blood vessels. As a result, consuming watermelon may enhance erectile function and increase sexual arousal. Dark chocolate, a sweet sensation. Dark chocolate is not only a delightful treat, but also a powerful ally for sexual health. Rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, dark chocolate can enhance circulation and improve blood flow. This increase in blood flow can contribute to better erectile function and heighten sexual desire. Additionally, dark chocolate contains phenylethylamine, a compound that can elevate mood and promote feelings of attraction and excitement. Nuts, a nutrient-rich option. Nuts, particularly almonds and walnuts, are excellent sources of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that support sexual health. They are rich in vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, all of which play a role in hormone production and circulation. Nuts can help improve blood flow and are an easy snack to incorporate into your diet. A handful of nuts can be a heart-healthy choice that may also enhance libido. Chili peppers, spice up your love life. Adding some chili peppers to your meals can do more than just add heat. They can also improve circulation. The capsaicin found in chili peppers stimulates the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones. This can enhance mood and increase sexual arousal. Moreover, improved blood flow from capsaicin can also aid in achieving better erections. Pomegranates, a juicy boost. Pomegranates are celebrated for their high antioxidant content, particularly punicalagins, which can improve blood flow and lower oxidative stress. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice may enhance erectile function and overall sexual health by promoting better circulation. Incorporating pomegranates into your diet, whether through fresh fruit or juice, can provide a tasty and healthful boost to your sexual wellness. Cardamom, the aromatic aphrodisiac. Cardamom is a fragrant spice that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine as an aphrodisiac. It is believed to increase blood flow and stimulate sexual desire. Adding cardamom to your meals or enjoying it in teas can be a delightful way to enhance your sexual health naturally. Saffron, the golden spice, known as one of the most expensive spices in the world. Saffron has long been recognized for its medicinal properties and is considered a natural aphrodisiac. Research suggests that saffron can improve sexual desire and function, especially in individuals taking antidepressants that may affect libido. Adding saffron to your culinary repertoire can not only enhance the flavor of your dishes, but may